Okay, in this video we are going to recall how to plot points and draw graphs. In the coordinate plane, points can be located or plotted according to their coordinates, like 2 to 3, or say -4 to 1. So these are called as the ordered pairs, as they are in order. X is first, Y is last, X, Y and XY. So they are ordered and they are pairs because there are two numbers in each coordinate. So we call them as ordered pairs. Now, let's plot these points. Okay. For the first one, we have x value to be 2 and the y value to be 3. So the intersection is here. So this is the point 2 to 3. For the second one, it is -4. X equals -4 is here. And 1. Y equals 1. So it's here. So the intersection is here. So this is the point -4 to 1. So to draw a graph of a line, or to graph a line or another function, we just plot these points and then join them. But of course, the points will not be given to us, so we have to find the points which are on the function. Now let's see an example. Okay, let's draw the graph of y equals 3x minus 1. The steps we have to follow are as follows. Now in the first step we are going to make a table of the function values, which means we are going to find or somehow decide values of x. We are going to choose values of x, and then we are going to calculate the values of y according to the given function. And then in the second step we are going to plot the points which we find on the table. And in step 3, we are going to connect or join the points so that we have the graph of this function. Now let's draw the graph of this function. Now in the first step, we are going to make a table of x and y. Now we said that we are going to choose the values of x. So it's better if we choose simple numbers, like basic numbers like 0, 1, 2, or maybe -1. It's up to you. Now, let's do the calculations. For x is 0, y is 3 times 0 minus 1, which is 0 minus 1, which is -1. For the second one, if x is 1, then it will be 3 times 1 minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, which is 2. And for the third one, if x is 2, then y will be 3 times 2 minus 1, which is 6 minus 1, which gives us 5. So in step 2, we are going to plot the points that we find on the table. 0 to -1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 5. So let's plot them. 0 to -1 is x is 0, y is -1, so the intersection is here. 1 to 2 is 1 here, 2 here, the value of y, so the intersection will be here. And 2 to 5. So the intersection will be here. So these are the points on the function. And then the last step, we are going to join the points, connect the points so that we'll have the graph of the function given. So this is the graph of the function, which passes through the points which we plotted. Now is your turn. Draw the graphs of the functions y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals 4x. Keep in mind the steps of drawing the graph of functions. Well, draw your graph and show me